1967 Corvette, 427, 4-bolt main, believed to be an L71 or L78 block. Nothing is on the stamp, excuse me, the pad, except S and 1, showing that it's a original Corvette motor. Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. What is it? L71's 435 or 430 horsepower. Finished in the original 67 green with tan interior, which are its actual factory colors. Four-speed manual transmission. Bucket seats. Rally wheels and red lines. It has the big block hood for 67, the Stinger hood. The paint is gorgeous. It looks like glass. Chrome is nice. The undercarriage is nice. If you look at the undercarriage in the pictures, you can tell it was a frame-off restoration. How long ago? I'm not sure. I haven't dove into the paperwork yet. Look at the paint. Brand new carpet. Even there. The glass is nice. The windows go up and down. Look at that. Through the paint. Alright, 427 L71, most likely L71, could be L88. Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, the March Performance Pulley System. It's like a $2,500 pulley system. The radiator, dual electric fans. Look how clean it is in there, all around. The hood, nice and clean, fresh.
little wet, so I got to take it easy. But that took me to 60. And no time at all, because of 427. 430 horse at the very minimum. Power steering, power brakes, vintage air. Everything's new. Suspension and all. And it's a 67 427 Corvette motor. Thanks for watching.